In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front brakes on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Using a 22mm socket, remove all of the lug nuts for the hubcap. Remove the hubcap. Using a 22mm socket, remove the 8 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to pinch the plastic clip out of the bracket. Install a bleeder bottle around your caliper. Remove the bleeder cap. I'm going to install a 10mm wrench. Install my bleeder bottle onto the caliper. Crack that bleeder free. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver and I'm going to go through the back of the caliper. I'm going to push this caliper back. Push the caliper pistons all the way back. Once you have the caliper pushed all the way back, go ahead and close that bleeder screw up. Remove your bleeder bottle. Remove the wrench. Give the area a wipe of any mess you made. And reinstall the bleeder cap. Using an 18mm socket, we're going to loosen the 2 caliper bolts. Remove the 2 bolts. Remove the caliper. Pull it up and over to the side. I'm going to hang my caliper off of the top strut tower. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove the 2 caliper bracket bolts. Remove the bolts. Remove the caliper bracket. Remove the rotor. Using a wire brush, we're going to go around and we're going to clean our hub. We're going to apply a bit of Never Seez to our hub. We're going to install the rotor on backwards. Install the rotor backwards and spray it down with some brake parts cleaner. Wipe it with a clean rag. Flip the rotor over. Do the same thing. Remove the pads out of your bracket. Remove the tins. You can use a flat blade screwdriver if you need to get under them. Using a wire brush, clean where our tins are going to sit. Do this on both sides. Using some silicone paste, we're going to paint where our tins are going to sit. Do this on both sides. Install the tins into place. Using a clean rag with some brake parts cleaner, I'm going to spray my rag. I'm going to grab our caliper bolts / slide pins, and I'm just going to clean those off real good. We're going to apply some silicone grease to our slide pins. Stick them into the caliper bracket. Make sure they move around nice and freely. Do the same thing on the other pin. Install the pads into the bracket. We're going to grab our caliper bracket bolts and we're going to clean this old thread locker off of them using a wire brush. Get both of those caliper bolts nice and clean. We're going to use some blue thread locker and put it onto our bolts. And now we're ready to bring it back to the car. Install the caliper bracket. Get the caliper bracket bolts started. Snug the bolts down. Grab your caliper, pull it down and around. Get it around your pads. Install those caliper bolts / slide pins. Snug the bolts down. Torque the caliper bracket bolts to 220 foot-pounds. Torque the caliper bolts to 80 foot-pounds. Install the ABS harness stay. Install the wheel. Install the 8 lug nuts by hand. Snug the lug nuts down. Using a 22mm socket, we're going to torque the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the hubcap. Snug all the nuts down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.